Hey, good morning, Alice. It's starting to sleet out here. We're in Kentucky, yeah. So let me show you what's going on here. So this is the car that I'm picking up, and it was just a pretty easy fix. But you can see we're kind of out in the middle of nowhere here. But you know, that's going to happen. So anyway, I've got to. It's going to be a short video. I've got to. Oh, sorry. Got to go get some gas in this car. I got about 5 hours sleep last night, so that was not a lot, but that's the way it goes sometimes, you know. Anyway, we're driving now to go look at a different Crown Vic that they're gonna put up for sale. I look rough. I should shave, right? I know, I'll shave when I get home because I don't have a razor with me. So anyway, well, I say us because you're with me. At least I feel like you are. Anyway, we were gonna dolly it, but we can drive a lot faster just driving. Plus, I'm excited to drive the car, you know. Anyway, Tim's motioning me. Let's see what he's talking about. Okay. All right. So it's about 37 degrees outside, which is good. So this sleet and stuff won't stick, which is good. I'm sure they're going to be surprised when I drive this car up here, because I bought it with a quote bad transmission, but you know your daddy's pretty smart, so he can fix stuff. I'm a fixer, that's what I do. And anyway, I was able to patch the problem with it. So anyway, just told you I'd make a quick video this morning. So here I am. I gotta figure out how to get out of here. I have no idea kind of where I'm at. So anyway, I hope you had a good night's sleep, and I hope you have a good day at school, or you had a good day at school, because you'll be seeing this after you get out of school. So all right, I love you. I'll talk to you later. All right, bye.